everybody, welcome to JINGLES. This is a 3 minutes challenge of solving this BJT Fixed Bias circuit. We are asked to determine IC, IE, RB, VB and beta. Provided with the values of VCC as 12 volts, IB 20 microamps, RC as 2.2 kilo ohm, VCE as 7.2 volts. Though the value of VBE is not given, we know the value of this VBE as 0.7 volts. So the time starts now. So at the input side, I can write the KVL. So 12 minus IBRB, so it is 20 into 10 power minus 6 into RB minus that VBE, that is 0.7, that is equal to 0. So 12 minus this one is 11.3 minus 20 into 10 power minus 6 RB, that is equal to 0. So I can write the RB as 11.3 divided by 20 into 10 power. This becomes plus. Okay, so RB is equal to, I have to use the calculator now. So 11.3 divided by 20. So that is equal to 0.565 into 10 power 6. So I use it as 565 kilo ohm. Okay, I got one answer. Now I am moving on to the output side. There I apply KVL. So I got it as 12 minus ICRC. So IC into 2.2 kilo ohm 10 power 3 minus VCE, that is 7.2 volts. That is equal to 0. So 12 minus 7.2 is 4.8 minus that 2.2 into 10 power 3 IC, that is equal to 0. From this I can calculate IC. IC is equal to 4.8 divided by 2.2 into 10 power 3. So it becomes 10 power minus 3 here. So what is 4.8 divided by 2.2? So that is equal to 2.18. 2.18 into 10 power minus 3. I can write it as milliamps or amps. Okay, I got the second answer. Then what is the third thing? I can now calculate beta. Beta value is equal to, the formula is IC by IB. So IC is 2.18 into 10 power minus 3 divided by IB is 20 microamps, 10 power minus 6. So if you cancel out here, it is 10 power minus 3 is here. So 2.18 divided by 20, that is 0.109 into 10 power 3. So I got the value as 109. Oh yeah, beta value I got. Now I am going to find out what is the value of IE, or I can go for this VB. VB is equal to VBE only, because we know that VBE is equal to VB minus VE, that where VE is equal to 0. So VB is equal to 0.7 volts only. So yet to find out this IE. IE is equal to 1 plus beta times that IB value. So I write it as 110 into IB value is how much? 20 microamps into 10 power minus 6. So here I get it as 2200 into 10 power minus 6. So I can write it as 2.2 milliamps. I see. Yeah, I got the answer. So I got all the answers. IE, RB, IC, beta and VB. Yeah, it's a challenging thing. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.